How to draw Cyndaquil the Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of today's drawing, let's begin by drawing the outline of the head. We'll begin right here towards the top center of the page, and we're just going to draw a simple line that looks similar to a C. Now connected to the right side of the line that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the snout. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Untitled Chapter Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. After we're all done drawing the outline of the head, the next step will be to add detail to the inside of the head. So let's go ahead and draw an outline on the very top of the head to help separate the colors. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now on the inside of the head, right beneath that line that we just drew, let's first draw the eye by making a simple curved line, then making a nostril by making a very small short line. Fantastic, so far we're off to a great start. Now we have to draw the outline of the lower body, so let's begin on the left hand side, and let's draw a curved line that is connected to the left side of the head. So on the very bottom there, where that line goes flat from left to right, we're just going to make the foot by making a small shape on top of it. Now a little above and to the right, let's draw the first arm by making a line that looks similar to a backwards J. Next, to make the center of the body, let's use a simple curved line to connect the leg to the arm that we just drew. Now connected to the right side of what we just made, let's draw the second leg as well as foot. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Now just like how I drew an outline on the top of the head to separate the colors, we're going to do the same thing on the back, and in this area we'll also draw the second arm. Nice! Now we're all done drawing the head along with the body. For the last step before we color, we just have to draw the tail on the back end. So this will be made in two shapes, and keep in mind that the tail is fire. So let's go ahead and draw the first shape that looks similar to a fire, then we're going to make a second shape that is even bigger. This will connect from the back to the head. Great! Now let's draw the second shape that will outline what we just drew. And if you're interested in watching more drawing tutorials on Pokemon, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. I'll put a link to that down in the description below. This is how to draw Cyndaquil. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like, because then that will send a special message to YouTube that says, hey, this is a good video, recommend it to other YouTube artists as well. Then that way we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Oh, and one more thing, in the description down below, if you wanted to start your own YouTube channel or see what we use for our supplies, I included a link to everything down below. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.